You know, we haven't gotten to, speaking of things like fundamentals in the consumer, gotten to Kohl's. They raised the guide, 104 crushes 4 cents. And I guess it's just another string of evidence points in retail this week.
Look, the stock is down, but this stock has been relentlessly going up, relentlessly. And I know in the 30s, I said, you know what, I can't fight it anymore. I think Kohl's is coming back. It's interesting, by the way, Kohl's has got brands like Chaps, which is, a licensed brand. So, Dave, when you go to Kohl's, I mean, they're going to have the gold toast socks, but they don't have the first rank Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren doesn't sell into that channel, so it's important. Nike does. And Nike stock has been a complete dog ever since we started talking about the People's Republic of China and whether Nike's going to have to play its hand in terms of showing, like it did with Kaepernick, that oppression is not the way Nike plays.
Right. It's also, isn't it the subject of that conservative ad campaign about woke corporations? Isn't that one of the names they're going after? Well, it's a very interesting time, as we've pointed out many times over this last, year, more than year, period of time where corporations are choosing to engage in issues that they typically might not have, but are under pressure to do so by their customers, by their employees, and also by certain parts of their shareholder base.
The customers, who are always right. They are asking questions.
And the employees are very important here in names like this and many others in terms of what the company, what the CEO will choose to do.
You know, what's the number one employee satisfaction company in the country?
I don't know. What is it?
It's CISCO, who takes, by the way, Chuck Robbins quietly takes very powerful stands on issues.
Okay. But meanwhile, if I'm a shareholder, am I happy?
Sure.
Am I happy with CISCO?
Well, you ought to buy the stock and wake up and smell the coffee.
The stock's up 13%
the orders
this
control
year, so
that.
it's had a pretty nice run, certainly far ahead of the, not far, but ahead of the S&P's 10% move so far this year.
People didn't know. I mean, they called it disappointing. Now it was down 3.5, Carl. It was ridiculous. It's disappointing. This stock trades on orders. I've been following CISCO since '93, and whenever the orders go up, that's when the John Wardridge days before Chambers. Whenever orders go up like the way they did, and you talk about service provider orders up 17, you buy CISCO, you don't sell it. So people are starting to come to their senses and they're buying the stock. And David, it's not too late to get in. That was a good quarter, not a bad quarter. They admitted they had supply chain problems. So did Farley.
Right. Now you say you.
And who was Farley's cousin?
Apparently the great departed comedian.
Yes, Chris Farley.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.